Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your MetLife insurance account step by step clearly. To cancel your MetLife insurance account, start by gathering all necessary information related to your policy. This includes your policy number, personal identification details, and any relevant documentation. Next, make sure your premiums are up to date to avoid complications during the cancellation process. Locate the customer service number for MetLife, which is usually found on their website or your insurance documents. Call the customer service number and be prepared to verify your identity. Inform the representative that you wish to cancel your insurance account. They may ask for details about your policy, so have that information ready. The representative will guide you through the cancellation process and may offer alternatives or adjustments to your plan. If you still wish to proceed, request a confirmation that your policy has been canceled. After the call, check your email or mail for a follow-up confirmation from MetLife. Keep this document for your records to ensure you have proof of cancellation. If you prefer, you can also cancel your policy online by logging into your MetLife account. Navigate to the policy section and look for the cancellation option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Ensure you receive a confirmation of your cancellation through email or through the platform. Finally, monitor your bank statements to confirm that no further payments are processed after your cancellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.